Okay. So I come again. Slicing in NumPy allows you to extract specific portions of an array using the syntax array, square bracket, start, stop, and step. Where starts means what? Index to begin slicing, open bracket, inclusive. Then stop means what? Index to stop slicing, exclusive. Then step, the interval between elements, which is optional. So let's look at some of the example. Let's look at the example. Basic slicing. Basic slicing. We have 1D, 1D array. So don't forget to import. If you have not import, don't forget to import your NumPy as what?
NP.
MP. So import NumPy as MP. Then array equals MP dot what? MP dot array. Open bracket, square bracket, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Close the bracket. So example, if you have to slice elements from index 1 to index 2. Let's just take example. Print elements from index 1 to 4. What do you think it will return? What will it return?
It will return 20, 30, 40, 50.
Print array, square bracket what? 1:4.
20, 30, 40, 50.
So you have 20,
20,
30,
yeah,
40.
40. Yeah, the last one is not inclusive. Okay.
Next example. Print elements from start to index 3. Solution.
Print array.
Print array.
You put the column, the semicolon and 3.
Good.
Yeah.
Next example. Print elements from index 2 to the end.
2 to the end.
Yeah.
Array. 2.
2 to
30, 40, 50, 60.
yeah.
Next example. Print every second element. Print every second element. Can you try this? Print array, then ratio 2. Every second element. You have 2, you have 10, 30, then 50. Do you understand it?
Now, if you want to print every third element,
Every third element, that is 3 now.
Yes, sir.
then you do that column, double column,
No,
double
no, no,
column,
no, no, no.
three.
You change the 2
Okay,
to 3. Change the 2 to 3.
double column, three. That's what I'm saying now.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
All right, all right, all right.
It's clear.
It's clear, it's clear.
So next, if you're asked to maybe reverse array, what does it mean?
Go come from the back now,
So
from the
how
last
are we
to
going
the.
to do that?
I mean, maybe from the
Print,
back, like,
Then you're using negative now. Negative this is slicing.
print what? Array, square bracket what? Ratio minus 1. So that is it. Reverse.
Yeah, negative slicing. Yeah.
Next topic. Slicing, slicing a 2D.
Slicing a 2D. Mr. Ran, I hope you just give us this note, right?
Yes,
After class, yes.
yes.
Let us just follow you like this. I understand it.
So slicing,
Then later we'll note.
okay, no problem. Slicing
Mm,
2D.
okay.
So for slicing 2D, for multi-dimensional array, slicing is done using um, array, square bracket, start row, then we should stop row, comma, column start, then column stop. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Let's go on. Example, let's say we have array 2D equals mp dot array, open bracket, square bracket, um, the values. So these are
1 to December.
the values we have for 2D. Don't forget, I showed you how to confirm. You know how to confirm all those things. So you can print and confirm if how it's going to return the. So this is 2D. How many columns?
Two.
How many columns?
Columns.
Yes.
3.
Ah,
Four
four
columns.
columns. How many rows?
3 rows.
Rows.
3.
Rows.
Okay. So let's say from this list now, I want to print out the first one says start row, Abi. So I say start row, start row. So what is the start row? It start from 0. Are you there?
Okay, let's continue.
Are you
Yeah.
there?
Yes, we are. We
Yeah,
are here.
yeah.
Start row start with what?
0.
Zero.
0 less.
0. Why the column start row start with what?
The column
Yes.
is still 0 now.
Okay. You should know that it start with 0. So
Mm-hmm.
look at this question now. Somebody will answer out of you. Maybe you're looking at me now.
Mm-hmm.
Example 1. It says extract the first 2 rows and
Rules.
first 2
And
columns.
first
First 2 rows, first 2 columns.
0.
First 2 rows, first 2 columns. Who is going for that? First 2 row, first 2 column. Nobody? Mr. Ben, first 2 row, first 2 column. Can you try it?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it.
Okay, I'll do that. Don't forget, I'll give you assignment. Sub
All right.
array, but also try to answer 1 or 2 questions. So it's better. Array 2D square bracket. That is column 2. Then that one represents what?
Rows,
Then another column 2 represents what?
columns.
Good. So you can print sub array array 1. So that is 1 2 then 5 6.
First 2 rows. Um,
Another question, another example. Extract last 2 column, last 2 rows, and last 2 column. Last
last 2
yes.
Last.
3 4.
Sub array 2, sub array 2 equals array 2D
3 4 11 12. So, but go
square
ahead. Let me see.
brackets.
Not sub.
He said the last two row, that is 0 1. The last 2 row, extract last 2 row. So one
Last two.
ratio from 1 to the end. Do you understand? 1 to the end. Then last 2 column. So from 2 to the end. Do you understand?
I'm just calling the answer. Let me see the answer you got.
Okay.
I
Sub,
am taking on 3 4 11 12.
sub
Let me see.
array. Okay. Sub array 2. Can see that?
Okay, 7, 8, 11, 12. Okay.
Yeah.
If I do it, I will get it. It's just that I'm using my head to calculate it. I
Okay.
might make mistake.
Okay. Next. Next example. Extracting rows and columns separately. Extracting rows and columns separately. Extracting rows and columns separately. So if I want to extract specific row, I want to get a specific row. Then I want to get the second row. What will I do? Extract a specific row. That is second row. What will I do? I want to bring out the second row. That is row 2. That is array 2 what? 2D.
Yeah.
Two.
So second row start with what? 1. Then we are not giving that we should bring anything on column. You understand?
Okay.
So then you can print row
Underscore
underscore
2.
2. Then close your bracket. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, let me look at it again. Starting rows and columns. Okay.
So next example, extract specific column. Extract a specific
Third
column. Third column. So tell me what to do. You should do this one. You get this one.
specific column, third column. Let me go back to the question.
That is what?
Column. Third column.
Third column.
Let's use example. Column 3.
We are not even seeing that table anymore. Yeah, that are
Let
table
me
of
bring the
array.
table. Let me bring it closer. Let me bring it. This is the table.
Okay, we are asking of
Let me put it here.
Specific.
So square bracket what? 3. You're asking to bring out a specific column, which is 3. That is 0, 1, 2 now.
Yes.
yeah.
So ratio 2.
No, it's 2. Okay. Yeah.
Print column 3.
Error.
Okay.
Error.
Mistake. No, not error. 2D.
Okay.
Just mistake there. So let's move on to the last part. Using step to slice.
Mr. Dan,
Yes, sir.
you know that this one you taught us now,
Yeah,
comparing to the last one you did,
yeah,
it's not like I'm saying that it's confusing the last one, no.
yes.
But you know that this one is more well self-explanatory.
Okay, you understand this one better.
Better, yes, than the last one. Even
Okay,
I'm looking at the last note. We have done all this, but in a different way.
okay. So let's go on. Using steps in slicing. This is another subheading. So extract
Yeah.
every other rows and column.
Colon.
Extract every other rows and column. So extract every other rows and column. So step underscore slice equals array 2D. Then ratio see every other row and column. Print step underscore slice.
Okay, Mr. Dan.
Yes, sir.
This is where my confusion starts.
Yes, sir.
This one you just wow.
Okay.
I didn't catch up. Well,
Okay.
I'm trying to understand it.
Okay. Which one? This one now.
Yeah, this last one. This last one.
Mm.
Extract every other role
Row.
and
Now I did
column.
not specify whether this one I use step 2. This is the database. Let me show you the database so you understand it better. Print array 2D. This is database. Huh?
Okay. Yes. Uh-huh.
So
Mm-hmm.
they want it. They want you to return it in step 2 of each. I just use step 2. So if you count
Step
from
two.
1, yes, if you count from 1, this is 0. This is 1. If you add 2 to it, to give you,
This three. Yes.
you
Uh-huh.
understand? This is 1. If you add 2 to this 1, it will give you 3.
One
There's
and three.
nothing.
One and three. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
there's
That
nothing
one is
there.
correct.
There is not bring out 4.
Yes.
It won't bring out 4. That is for that.
Yeah.
For
Mm-hmm.
so you're having 1 and 3. For 9 and 11, the same thing. Look at it. Do you see it? 9, 11.
Okay.
There is nothing to bring out on that part. So,
Okay. 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 Just don't delete this in like this. Just leave it like this. So for illustration purpose.
okay. You that are in class, you understand it. If somebody that is not in the class, you know understand what I just explained now. You will get it.
Yes.
Okay.
But I'm
Yes.
recording actually.
Cool.
So let's
Okay. I understand. Yeah. They
uh,
will not. They will not understand.
yeah, I won't get it.
All right. You can remove it. I've screenshot it
No
for
problem.
my own. For my own knowledge only.
Okay, I
Okay.
can remove it now,
Anybody.
babe.
Yeah. You
No
can
problem.
remove.
So
I've
I'm
screenshot.
recording it. They will get it when I was explaining. I'll get it. So
Okay. Okay.
let's go. Next is copy and view. Next,
Yeah.
NumPy,
Copy.
array, copy, and view. This is NumPy, array, copy, and view. You can still read more on that slicing. So this one will help you to this one I did now would have opened your eyes to some areas again. So you can go on, make note of
Yes,
them.
yes, yes, yes. You
Make
opened my eyes. Even some things that I'm just trying to understand with strong head.
yeah,
But this one made everything very clear.
yeah, yeah. So let's move on. Copy and view. So in NumPy, when slicing or assigning array, you can either create a copy, open bracket, completely new array, or a view, which is a reference to the same data. So understanding this is crucial to avoid unintentional what uh, change, unintentional changes to the data. So let's move on to we'll start with view.
Copy.
We are starting with view.
Okay.
Let's
All
start
right.
with view. Um, so when we talk about view, a view does not create a new memory location. Changes in the view affect what? Affect the original data. The changes in the view affect the original array. It affect the original array. So I'm going to give you an example of what I'm saying.
All right.
Array equals mp dot array, then brackets 10, 20, 30. 40, 50. So let's create a view for this.
Okay.
View underscore array equals array square brackets. What does this mean? Can you tell me?
From beginning to index 3.
Good. So that means uh I can check what I have inside the original array, then I can check what I have inside the view. Abi?
Yeah, yeah.
So let's see. Print print array. Array return what?
It returns everything now.
Return everything. So print view. Where is my why? Print view.
Underscore array, right?
Yeah. You can see that view return 10 to what? 10
Third.
to 30. Did you get that?
Yes,
So
yes.
based on our definition, we state that a view does not create a new memory location.
Memory
Changes in the view affect the original array.
array.
Changes in the view affect the original array. So now, let's say we want to make changes, we want to modify the view. Let's confirm that definition. He said the changes in the view affect the what? The original array. You get that?
Yeah.
So let's see now. Let's see if truly it's correct. So modify. Modify means what? Change. Modify the view. So I have view underscore array square brackets. I want to modify first one. What is it? What would the first one? That is 0. So I want to change it to 99. So let's see if it really affects the original one and affect the view. Let's see, Abi. So print. The first one is array. Let's see. Did it affect it? Yes. Print. Are you there?
Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah.
Print view underscore array. You see that? It affects it too.
Yes.
Yeah,
Changes
affected
made.
it.
Yes. Changes made to the view affect the original array.
Mm.
So take notes. Take notes. Note this. So the original array changes when the view is what? Is modified.
Modified.
Yeah.
Right.
So next, move to copy. So a copy, independent copy of what? Of the data. Independent copy of the data. So a copy creates in a completely new array in memory. Copy changes in the copy array do not affect the original data. So take note. Doesn't
So
affect the
just
original
just
data.
just the opposite. Just the opposite.
Yes, doesn't affect the original data. So let's look at the example. We have this. Then we have copy underscore array,
Array.
then equals array dot copy.
Okay.
So print copy underscore array. Then I have this. You can see I've make a copy of the original array.
Yeah.
Yes. You can print the original array now. You see what you return. Array. You get. So I've made a
Yeah.
copy of
Return
it.
this.
So let's say now I want to modify it. I want to modify the copy. I want to modify the copy. Let's say.
Okay.
Let's see if the definition is correct. Modify the copy. We have copy underscore array, then square brackets equals 99. So let's print now. Print copy underscore array. It affects this one, right?
Yeah.
Let's say print
But the original array to not affect it.
print array. Did it affect it?
It will not affect it. Yeah.
No. So take notes. So what will be the key points of this one?
The original array does not change when the copy is modified.
So next,
Oh, that's good.
checking if an array is a copy or a view. Checking if it's a view or a copy. So use base to check. You make use of base. Use the base.
Yeah.
Okay. Use base to check if it's a copy or a view. It's
View.
a view or a copy. So I'll still make use of that data. I'll still make use of that data. Then view underscore array equals array square bracket ratio 3, which you know what it means.
Yeah.
So for copy underscore array,
Okay.
then equals array dot copy.
Right.
Dot copy.
Just copy.
So let's check print open bracket view underscore array dot, say we should use base to check,
Okay.
then print open brackets copy underscore array dot base. You see that?
The none. Hmm?
None. Copy has no base. Copy has no base. Why view have a base? You don't get it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Copy have no base. Why do you have what? Have a base. So let's move on. Any question on copy and view? Any question on copy and view?
What is different between view and copy? Is the difference?
Okay, Mr. Ben, can you answer him?
Yeah. From my understanding here,
Yeah.
view, aside the fact that the last example you gave, they are trying to make us understand that view has a base and copy doesn't have a base. Then to illustrate further, he gave an example earlier on.
Okay.
If you want to solve with view, for example, when you solve for view, it gives you the answer. And when you want to print the original array,
Yes.
it doesn't change. It gives you the same thing again.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
I understand.
But for copy, when you print for copy, it changes only for copy. And when you print for the original distance, it remains the same. It doesn't change. It only changes for copy.
Okay.
You don't get it now.
Whereas
Yeah, I
view
get it.
is the opposite. Anything that changes in view changes in the original array.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Simon, you understand now?
Yeah, understand.
So let's move on. The shape of an array refers to its dimension, number of rows and columns. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
understand.
we are looking at a NumPy array shape. So the shape refers to its dimension. That dimension means number of rows and columns. So you can find and modify the shape using the shape attributes. Using the shape attributes. So let's take example one. So check the shape of an array. Use dot shape to get the number of columns and rows.
Okay.
So let me give you an example of tables for you. So look at this table. You have how many? You have 1D, you have 2D, and what? And 3D.
3D, yes, 3D.
So you can just use a print what? Array 1D dot what? Dot shape.
Dot shape.
Then print array 2D
3D.
dot
Dot
shape.
shape.
Dot shape.
Then print
Array
array
3D.
3D dot
Dot
shape.
shape.
So if they
Dot
ask
shape.
you to check the number of dimensions, this is how you check the number of what? Of dimension. That is number of row and column. So this one have 5. You can see just 5 numbers there. The second one have what?
Mm.
2 rows and what? And 3 columns, which is correct. Why? Because I have two two rows, 2 columns, and 2 dimensions. Do you understand it?
Two rows.
2 columns and 2 dimensions. Let me print it out. Let me print it out again so I explain better. Array 1D, then print array 2D, then print array 3D. Look at it. Look at the first one. 5. Look at the second one. Do you see? See the second one. How many rows do you see there?
Yeah. Yeah.
2 rows and 3
Two rows.
columns.
And three columns.
Why this one
Yeah.
have 2
Yes.
rows, 2 columns, and 2 dimensions? See, 2 dimensions. You can see that there's a break there.
Okay.
1 dimension,
Yeah.
1
Yeah.
dimension. If you are following my class, I've
Yeah.
told you those things.
I know.
So that is that.
But it's good like this for the clarity.
Yes. Next, reshaping array.
Okay, we have not done this one. This one's new.
Reshaping. So you can change the shape using dot reshape. So the total number of elements must remain what? The same. So let's do as if we want to, let me copy that one. Let me copy the first one. Let's use this one. So let's say we want to change, you want to make this thing 2 and what? And 3. That is 2 rows and 3 columns. Reshape underscore array equals array dot reshape open bracket 2 comma 3 then close bracket print.
Please, Mr. Dan,
Yes sir.
you can put ask sign there, the note sign there to show what you did from that reshape.
Okay, okay,
So
okay,
that
okay, okay. Print reshape underscore array.
yeah.
Is it okay like that?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
You can also convert 1D to 3D. Let me do that one.
How?
1D to 3D.
3D. Okay.
But the number, you must make sure of the number that you're using. This is 1 to 8. I want to convert it to 3D. I want to make it two rows, 2 column, and 2 dimension.
Two
Like
rows,
2 block, 2 rows,
column,
yeah, and 2 dimension. That dimension means blocks.
mm.
So let's see. Reshape underscore array then equals array dot reshape open bracket 2 2 2 2 2 then convert to 2 rows,
Two rows,
2 block, 2 rows,
two
and
column.
2 column. So print reshape underscore array. This is
Wow. This
why
is
the first
magic.
one was like this. This is the first one. This
Yeah.
one will convert to this.
Mm.
Mm. So next, join. Join. Oh, I need to keep this. I'll call this person later. Join. I'll call you back. This last.
Are you the person they are calling?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. I said, are you the person that they are calling? They are calling somebody.
So you can join multiple array using function like mp dot concatenate, mp dot stack.
They are calling somebody. don't know who they are calling. The thing is
Can you hear
becoming.
me?
Yeah, can you?
Okay, so I said you can join multiple arrays using functions like np.concatenate, np.stack, np.astack, np.vstack, and np.dstack. So I'm going to take one example each. So using concatenate, let's start using concatenate. Using concatenate. So the np.concatenate function join arrays along an existing axis. Along an existing axis. So example, let's look at this table. Example, look at this table, array 1, array 2. So if you want to concatenate this array 1 and array 2 using concatenate, results equals np dot concatenate, np dot concatenate, then open brackets 1, comma,
Comma array 2.
so print what?
This is giving me a cell vibe.
Sir?
It's giving me a cell vibe or a cell.
Print print result set. So that is it.
Yeah.
Three, four,
Someone
five.
that someone that someone that knows a cell will not have the problem with this one.
Yeah.
Continue.
Joining 2D. Joining 2D. So this example of 2D.
All right.
So result set equals np dot concatenate array 1, comma, array
All right.
2. If you run it like this and print, I want to show something.
The
Print,
results will be just long now. Oh, I don't know. Print. Let me see.
print result set. This will happen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
But if
7.
you join it along rows, let's say you want to join it along row, I'll just say comma axis equals 0.
Print.
It's almost the same thing, right?
It's the
Almost
same thing.
the same.
This is normal.
It's the same thing. Yeah.
I now say axis 0 along. Let's just put axis. Let's just put it there. Axis 0.
That is not 0.
Axis 0. So let's just leave it like that. So let's do along columns. Let's see along columns. So if you are doing along column, that is axis 1. Print result. This along column. Do you understand the two differences now?
Um. One, two,
You can
one.
decide to say for row. You can decide not to put 0 axis. Just leave it like that. You understand?
Okay.
So for column, you use 1. Do you understand? If you want it to display for in column, you want that to display in column. Huh? If you want to display in column, you use axis equals 1. If you want it to be a row, you use axis equals 0, or you decide not to use axis.
Okay.
So let's move on. Next, we have using stack. So the np.stack function join arrays along a new axis. Along a new axis. Another example, we have array 1 equals np.array, array 2 equals np.array. So let's join it. Let's see. Result equals np dot stack, then array 1 comma array 2. So axis equals 0. Print results. What did this one look like? Huh?
They just, it's just like they just made it to.
This one look like the one we did in our column now. Why is it like that?
Yeah, it looks like that now. Yeah,
It's not that it look like that. It's like it's column. Like this one we did one. This one we did one.
yeah.
Stack like that. So let's move on to H stack. Means what? Horizontal. When you say H stack, that is horizontal stack.
Mm.
That is horizontal stack. So we are using the same table. We are using the same table. We have results equals np dot H stack. Then array 1,
Array 1, comma array 2.
array 2, close bracket, print results. Then we have that.
It's because it's horizontal. That's why you just want everything to be in one line,
Yes,
right?
this one is like this one not
There's
that
no need of
this
there's no
one
need
is
of using any
and this
as
one is same thing. And this one that
it's
we did
the
that
same
time.
thing with the first one.
This one.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So V stack, that is vertical. Result equals np dot stack. V stack. Please look at what I'm typing on. np dot V stack. Array 1, comma array 2. So print result. That one is like what?
It's like the second one you did now from the beginning.
Next, using D stack. That is depth stack. That is the last one. So very simple. results equals np dot dstack
This stack,
ack array1
comma array 2.
array2 print results. Who is joining class?
Huh?
Who is
It's
joining class?
network. It's me. It's me. It's network. It's disconnected.
It's
Yeah.
connected.
No, it's just his network is connected, that's all. But just for a while. You don't waste time.
Ah, someone join. Who is joining? Someone is joining.
Mr. Sheung,
Shehu,
Mr. Sheung. Hello, sir. Mr.
ah,
Sheung.
but
No.
it's not my,
He has class with me soon. He has class with me soon. Mr. Sheung.
Oh, sorry.
No, just hold on. You can stay online. Once I finish, I'll do your class.
Okay.
I'm almost done. Yes, just stay online. So, let's go on. So this stack. So I'm done with the this stack. Next, NumPy splitting array. Another topic. Still under NumPy. So
okay.
we can finish this NumPy today. We have sort, left, and iterating. So let's finish up NumPy today. So we now start matplotlib. Next class.
Alright.
So NumPy splitting array. That's our next. Who did not join this class?
It's only
Tutu
2 2.
and Chidima. They
Nobody
didn't
kept
join.
Chidima,
English. Dinoma is not your
Chidima,
class
is-
now.
Chidima
Dinoma
is, has finished
it's not your class.
He has
Okay.
finished all the.
He's just doing revision.
Okay.
Yes, he's not doing revision. And that's Dinoma is just doing revision.
And if Tutu go through this class is very self-explanatory. She will understand
So
everything.
you can split arrays into multiple smaller arrays using function like np dot split, np dot array split,
And then underscore split.
np dot, just like what you just did now.
Yeah.
So I'll just do few. Let's start with using split.
I sent a lot of messages, but it's like you're not online, so I have to call.
Let's start with using split. So the
Okay, please
np
don't
dot
try.
split function split an array into equal parts. So I'll make use of this array,
Okay.
and let's say we want to split it. X equals np dot split np dot split, then open bracket array comma 3. So it means I'm splitting into what? Into 3 equal parts. Do you get?
Hold on.
Means I'm splitting into 3 equal parts. Sorry, it's X I'm printing. X. So it's split into 3 equal parts. That go on.
Okay. Yes. Go on.
Before then, take note of this. The number of splits must divide the array size. The number of splits must divide what? The array size.
Size, exactly. Otherwise,
exactly.
it will raise
Otherwise,
an error.
it will raise an what? An error.
An error.
So let's look at another quiz. You can do that
No,
using array underscore splits. Using array underscore splits. So this time around, let's say we have this array underscore split allows splitting into unequal parts. Do you get?
Ah,
So that means you have. Let's say we have this one now. This one you cannot split this one equally because you have 7 up to 7.
yeah.
But let's see how we are going to split it into equal parts. So I'm still going to say x equals, so then print x. You can see that.
Yeah.
Hmm. So also add this to it.
Okay, now I want to ask a question.
Yes, sir.
What if the array that was given to me was like it was equal, maybe like 10, for example?
Like 10.
Okay, like 10. The
Okay.
values are 10.
Okay.
Now I don't want to make use of the split. I just decided to make use of the array underscore split. Is there anything wrong with that?
No, there's nothing wrong with it. It
Okay.
works for both. So there's nothing wrong with it. So you can split horizontally, you can split vertically. I will send you the. Let me just put it down so you can go through it. Still the same
Okay.
process. Still the same process.
Okay.
All right.
Um, Splitting 2D. When you say splitting 2D, is it the same way as you split you understand?
Yeah.
Same way. So this example of 2D. So print, let's say results equals np dot split np dot split array 1 3. Mr. Sheon, as is equals uh, print.
Good result.
Mr. Sheon, so this is that for two. I mean 2D array for 2D array. Type for 2D. So we have sorting. We have sorting. NumPy array sorting.
No, Mr. Dan, there's something I want to ask.
Okay.
You wrote result equals to n
Sir,
bracket array, comma 3.
as you go up.
That 3 you write there. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
The 3 you wrote there,
Yes.
what does it mean?
Which one? This one?
It means, yes, it means the result will be split into 3.
Yes, into 3 now.
Okay. I just want to be sure.
That is it. That is.
Okay.
Oh. So I'll stop on my next class we move to NumPy.
NumPy.
I mean Matplot.
Okay.
So let's finish up this one.
That one is for the main analysis, right?
Yes.
The
Let's
graph,
finish
right?
up this one. No, we first do pandas. That will be pandas. Pandas. We first do pandas before that Matplot.
But pandas is for the table, right?
For cleaning data, for cleaning data for tables. So Where's the panda?
Okay.
So sorting.
NumPy sorting arrays.
Mm.
You can sort arrays using the NP.sort function, which sorts int and sending number by default.
So we have sorting a 1D array. The first one. 1D array. You should know 1D array by now.
Of course,
1D array.
like
So you can sort the project I'm giving to you, I will give to you. Hope you guys are still around, not that you have traveled, because you come and defend it too.
no wahala now.
So you come and defend it. Maybe next week's time now should have been done. In 3 weeks it should have been done. Maybe this is what is remaining in your course.
Yeah.
Uh,
But
my,
in my
we have not done essay project.
Which your course. Which one remains? This is the last one now.
we've not done a
Yes,
Tableau.
You have
Tableau.
Tableau.
Yes, I have Tableau. I've
Tableau,
not
you
done
need
that
to
one.
come for training for Tableau.
Okay.
Or should you want online? There's another person that is doing online.
I don't know how good that person is, if I can understand what he or she is
Tableau is
teaching.
just like Power BI. Since you have done Power BI now, you should be able to understand Tableau. So,
Simon, since tablet is the first time you are doing it, our advice you go physical because
no,
when
if
you are understanding Python,
he has
you're
done,
understanding Python now because you know Python already. Oh.
he
That's why you're understanding
has
it very
done,
well. No understand what
Mr. Ben, he has done Power BI, so you can understand it.
Okay. Since
It's
it's
more
very
easier
related,
than
then
Power BI
there's
is
no
more
issue
easier.
now.
Tablet is more easier compared to that one.
Wow. That's good now.
So, slicing a 2D, sorting a 2D array. Sorting a 2D array. You can see the one I sorted. You can see the output.
Yeah. It arranged it.
Yes.
Now sending order.
Yes, sir. So, sorting 2D. This is example of 2D. Print np dot sort. Then array.
Hold on. Alright.
So, that's where I will stop for this class.
Wait, go. Let me see. Let me see. Go down. 501.
Down or up.
Show independent by default. Okay, it arranges it by default, right?
Huh?
Okay, it arranges it by default.
This is yes now. This is the first one. You arrange this one.
Because I was wondering why zero is starting the second one.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Light, you know that we that attended this class now,
Yes.
is the people that didn't attend it that will need the video. We don't need the video.
Yes.
We just need the note.
You
Just copy the notes and put along with the video. So anybody that wants to watch the video can watch the video. We only need notes. We understood what happened here.
Okay. And you just send only the notes, Nabi.
Yeah,
Just
send only the notes. Then for them that missed, you can send the video because of tutu now. That's all.
Okay. So there is one more topic I like. I did not take that topic. Let me check. Iteration. Let me take it before I forget. the last part.
Yeah, take it to so that we know that we are finished NumPy. Book no so don't finish and this NumPy don't suffer for our hand. For how many years now?
Let's go.
NumPy array direction.
Iteration. So you can iterate through array using loop or virtualized operations. Since NumPy arrays are optimized,
Of the
direct
direct.
iteration is usually not the most effective method. So, however, you can use the different techniques to iterate through 1D, 2D, and multiple array. So I'll look
Array.
for 1D, iterating over 1D. I need to take a break before I start the second class. Wait for 1D. Then, for you to iterate this one, I can say for num, I can use anything, num in array. For num in array, then print num. You get what I mean? Print
This is
it one by one.
this is similar to those things we
Loop.
anyway shall continue. It's
It's
similar to
similar to
all the
loop
things
now, for loop.
yeah, similar to loops now, yeah.
Nah. So
But it's also good we did it because the name alone will confuse us because we don't know what to do.
yeah. So each element is assigned individually. It's assessed individually. So each element is assessed individually. So the same way for 2D, the same way for 2D. The same way for 2D. This is 2D table. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do now on this one. For what? You can use any
For
data.
none array,
For X
for none for S in array,
in array. Then what?
column print X.
Simple.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
The last one. Somebody should tell me this one. This one is for 3D, so we can close for today.
Alright,
Mr. Simon,
Yeah.
I will add it to the Tableau group.
Okay. Even Tutu is among is also doing that tableau.
Oh,
Tutu.
eh?
He's also doing tableau.
Okay. Who will tell me this one?
Okay, so we can use anything, right? Okay, let's say for Y in array.
Why? For Y
In
array.
array.
Then
That's why.
Print Y. Alright.
thank you and good night.
Okay.
Alright, Mr. Dan, don't forget to forward the note too,
I'll do
because
that.
me I always do my things that day that they taught it so that I'll do
I'll
it
do
every
that now. I'm sending it right away.